Hello my dear students, good morning everyone. I hope everyone is fine. Already we have successfully completed our lesson number 1, evaluation of computer. Today we are going to see lesson number 2, computer software. Computer software. You already know something about the hardware components of a computer. In this chapter, you will learn about another important component of a computer, that is called software. Hardware means collection physical part of computer. Yes or no? Yes. A computer can do nothing useful without it being given instruction as to what to do and how. These instructions are fed into the computer through input devices or added at the time of manufacture. Since for doing anything, computer needs instruction, and computer is a virtual machine, there are many types of software. First one is types of software. Second one, system software. Third one, abbreviation support system. Fourth one, utility software. Fifth one, application software. Sixth one, general purpose application software. Seventh one, customized software. Eighth one, backup of files. Ninth one, utility programs like backup, scanning, defragmentation. This all computer software. Now we are going to see first one, types of software. Now we are going to discuss system software. There are three system software. First one is A, operating system. B, utility programs. C, language processor. First one is operating system. Second one, utility programs. Third one is language processor. Now we are going to study this topic. Now, system software. This kind of software solves issues related to the running of the computer system correctly. Listen carefully. This kind of software solves issues related to the running of the computer system correctly. Second one, the operating systems like Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Linux are the best example of system software. Second one, listen carefully. The operating systems like Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Linux are the best example of system software. The system software controls the various operations performed by the computer hardware. System software controls the various operations performed by the computer hardware. It helps the system software helps the user to operate the computer system. The system software helps the user to operate the computer system. Just now we have seen the example of system software. Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Linux. Now the Windows 7, this is the example of system software. This is another example of system software. Linux operating system. What are the types system software? There are three types of software. First one, operating system. Second one, utility programs. Third one, language processor. Now we are going to see the topic operating system. First one is operating system. Operating system is a software. It is a software that controls the overall activity of a computer system. The operating system is that control the overall activity of the computer system. Second, it provides an interface between the user and the computer hardware. It provides an interface between the user and the computer hardware. The following are the tasks performed by an operating system. What are the tasks performed by an operating system? First one, operating system manage the system's resource. Operating system manages the system resource. Operating system manages the transfer of data to and from various peripherals such as keyboards, mouse, scanner and printer. Third one, operating system manages the system security and performance. Fourth one, it provides a way for application software to communicate with the hardware. Fifth one, for example, if you give a command to print, the operating system gives an instruction to the printer to start printing. Example of operating system are Android, Microsoft, Windows, Mac OS X and Windows Phone. If you are going to give a command to print, the operating system gives an instruction to the printer to start operating. This is the operating system. There are many types of operating system. Let us study one by one. First one is single user operating system. Second one, multi-user operating system. Third one, multitasking operating system. First one is single user operating system. Second one is multi-user operating system. Third one, multitasking operating system. This is the operating system picture. See, this is the operating system picture. Various layers of computer and their interaction. Hardware using operating system, application system, and user using application software, operating system, then hardware. First one is single user operating system. The system is one, the user also one. This is called a single user operating system. OS means operating system. Single user operating system allows a single user to access any particular computer at any one time. Listen carefully. Allows a single user to access any particular computer at any one time. Single task system performs one task at a time. Single task system performs one task at a time. A single user operating system allows only one user to access the data or to work on an application at a time. A single user operating system allows only one user to access the data or to work on an application at a time. The single user operating system used nowadays is Windows X3, Windows 95, 97, 98 and Windows. Windows X3, Windows 95, 97, 98 and Windows. These are the single user operating system. Second one is multi-user operating system. Multi-user operating system. This diagram below shows how a multi-user operating system can manage three people sharing the power of one computer. Listen, this diagram below shows how a multi-user operating system can manage three people sharing the power of one computer, control processor, terminal A, terminal B, terminal C. They are using 3 people sharing the power of one computer. Multi-user operating system allow access to the computer system by more than one user. Listen, allow access to the computer system by more than one user. Second one, multi-user operating system allows for multi-user to use the same computer at the same time and different times. Examples: multi-user operating system allows several users to access the same data at the same time. Example of multi-user operating system: Unix and Linux. Example of multi-user operating system: Unix and Linux. This all multi-user operating system. This is difference for single multi-user operating system. Single user operating system versus multi-user operating system. First one is single user operating system. Second one, multi-user operating system. A type of this is the first point of single user operating system. A type of operating system that provides facilities to only one user at a time. And this is the multi-user operating system. First point, a type of operating system that provides resources and services to multi-user at a time. Second point, single user operating system. Single task OS and single user multitask OS are two types. Second point, multi-user operating system. Time sharing OS and distribute OS are same types. And third one, single user operating system, simple. Multi-user operating system, third point, complex. Example of single user operating system: Windows, Apple, Mac OS. Example of multi-user operating system: Unix and Linux. Last one is multitasking operating system. Multitasking operating system. Operating system operate word processor, email, web browser, antivirus. This all operating system is CPU. Multitasking operating system. Some operating systems allow you to open more than one application at a time. Example, you could be listening to music in iTunes while working on an essay in MS Word. Many single-user operating systems allow user to run multiple applications. Early operating systems such as TOS did not allow this to happen. Earlier used TOS, it is not allow the multitasking operating system. TOS is a single user, single task OS. TOS is a single user, single task OS. Multitasking operating system allows more than one program to be running at a time. Multitasking operating system allows more than one program to be running at a time. A single tasking system has only one running program. A single tasking system has only one running program. Multitasking means the ability of the computer to run two or more applications at the same time. Multitasking means the ability of the computer to run two or more applications at the same time. For example, sending a file on the internet while listening to music. For example, sending a file on the internet while listening to music. I hope you understood about system software and the one type of system software such as operating system, and we have seen task and type of operating system. Thank you.